So today I wanted to talk a little bit about imprint and neutral, because if you can get this concept, then your core strength will be solid for everything else that you do, every other core exercise. Now, imprint and neutral, moving into imprint, which is when we flatten the lower back, is really about strengthening the pelvic floor and the lower abdominals. And so there are multiple ways that you can flatten the lower back. You can push with your feet, you can squeeze your glutes, but what I'm trying to get you to do is to really isolate the pelvic floor and the transverse abdominis muscles. So the buttocks and the legs stay relaxed, and you contract the pelvic floor and the lower abdominals to flatten the lower back. So you're pulling the pubic bone toward the navel to come into imprint where there's no space under the lower back. You release those muscles coming back to neutral, and then you contract to tuck the pelvis, and you just a little pelvic rock. So as you go back and forth, it's a matter of releasing and contracting and releasing and contracting. And we're not using the feet, we're not pushing, right? You're not squeezing the butt to tuck, right? And when you can isolate these muscles, then when you lift limbs off the floor, you have that pelvic stability. If you're not using those muscles and you're pushing, then you release and everything falls apart. So really just try to focus on those abdominal muscles and see if you can find them, pulling the pubic bone toward the navel, pulling the hips toward the ribs, and coming back to neutral. Thanks for watching.